Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers at home, Sanmonani, and welcome to another crazy episode of Angisakufuni right here on CMTV. My name is Mr. Juicy, and Jayelo, guys, I am bringing you another juicy, another drama when it comes to our relationships. So, Angisakufuni is a show that brings you couples that just want to call it off, you know? They just want to call it a quick. So, Angisakufuni is a show that brings you couples that want to call it a quick. Like you've had a lot in your relationship and you just want to leave it, then you come to this platform at CMTV all over social network. And of course, you need to subscribe on our channel and make sure the family grows and grows and grows. So there is a lady by the name of Golden Rose. She's in a relationship with a twin. They've been together for a while now, but then as time goes, she feels like the boyfriend doesn't really prioritize her. I don't know. There is a thing about twins having that bond, that extremely bond. But now, these niggas, they are old. They should know what's high. Man, just a girlfriend, man, you know. And then they start, you know, like giving time to all these, you know, kind of, you know, yeah. So she's gonna be here because she wanna share a story with us. Can we have Rose? Let's start with your name. Okay. Golden Rose.
Yeah.
Is this your real name or is your
No, I'm telling you,
For real?
Yeah, another source. I get too much exposed to good things. Yeah, so everything that is golden, it leaves a glitter. I don't know if you get it.
I love
a motive of life,
so
actually.
who's Golden Rose? Where are you coming from? Just share a bit about yourself before we get deep into your story of Umcholo wako, because
Okay.
wow.
Golden Rose, I'm a hustler. I do them all. I'm a politician, I'm a presenter, I'm an actor, I dance, I'm a photographer also by passion.
Wow.
So yeah, I'm from a very, you know, I don't know, but masengte you're born a background whereby I'm a breadwinner endlini. They depending on me, best
Yeah.
depend on cool. So apparently was shower stroke 2018. So it happened with I just had to go to
You are forced to grow.
You get that.
You are forced to grow.
So immaturity is something ukuthi ngathi into ukuthi ngikhule nayo. I don't know if you get it. Ngikhule sengimatured because of what life gave me.
And then uzelela angisakufuni kwenzakalani?
Mina ngiyaretire yazi.
Why?
No, like kunezinye izinto ukuthi umuntu naye personally anga adjust to them. You get that?
Sure.
Anga yenza isense ngazo, but finding out ukuthi kwezinye mele ugcina umtshela ukuthi jo phela you should take me as a priority. Yabona ukuthi ngathi sengiyasifoster. So I have my boyfriend whereby he's a twin. Twin kanjalo, I always come across indaba yokuthi uzongitshela ngobhuti this, bhuti that, my family this. So like I'm fed up. Ngibekezelile, like no.
You are not even a second.
I can't take myself a second. I can't. Because it's 1 year. Yeah, it's 1 year. Yeah, 1 year.
And when you guys started a relationship, do you always felt like vele twin brother yake, it comes first and the family yake or whatever comes first, but when you are second option, like I'll prioritize, or you were never prioritized from the word go, or in the as time goes, good relationship?
Okay, if maybe I took it like that, bengeke in a good relationship. So suddenly gwaba into ukuthi address. I'm one person yokuthi I give a person second chance and many chances. But I hope yokuthi uzochange. Understand? So lento lena into yokuthi ngike ngamhlalisa phansi ngamtshela ukuthi Jo, I feel like ngathi you are here man. Angisa understand kahle yini. You suddenly changed out of the blue. You were this person before, but now you just something else that I don't understand and can't explain. You get that? So okay, what's nongzo adjust and all those kind of things. Then
it's not giving.
It's not even giving you hope because I can't tolerate indaba yokuthi each and every time manginama plans naye. You get that? It's more like I'm dating.
Uyajola yena twin brother.
Single. Ubamba la biza khona. Ubamba la biza khona yes.
awukakazi ube ne-idea yokuthi since because ama-twins they have this bond, they always want to be on each other's sides, like they always want to be together. Awukakazi ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe wena uvele so that ungacomplain umane ubajole uwayi-two.
No, it's impossible because angisho understand ukuthi simitha sabantu with different cultures. So nna ke Mopedi.
Angeke uzishaya
Zulu. No, I can't do that. Even multitasking yangihlula. Like I'm one person ukuthi whenever I commit to somebody, I give my all to that person. Ngiyathanda. Yikho like I don't even have much experience coming to indaba zomjolo.
So manje ke ma ukhuluma naye nge-situation ukuthi listen Joe, this is how I feel. Uye wari benjani reaction yakhe ngoba phela manje uya understand ukuthi manje so uzomlahla phela. This is Angisakufuni.
Hayi ngidelile.
I-reaction yakhe yayinjani?
It was a matter of ngiyazama. You know, but izenzo they're not telling me that.
Effort.
Uze uthengele ubhuti wakho impahla.
Wena uyakuthengela?
I have to beg for that. Kumele ngimremind ukuthi Joe, phela mawune girlfriend mele sometimes umkhwayela
spoils,
you know those kind of things. But
uthi.
Amazingly, I do have a hope yokuthi ubhuti wakhe mangaba right in a solid relationship. There will be a matter of yena bamfaka endabeni. You understand another, and it's gonna be painful. So he's too much on that. I don't know ukuthi
where now you since you saying uke waba ne conversation naye ukuthi intana sometimes lahlela, you know, ama spoils ugelies, you know, here and there. Where now as a girl do you also spoil here and there?
Yo bro, I do my all. Ebana kwezinye izinto I can't open much because they're too sensitive, but I give my all. As I told you that I'm a hustler. Ngiyabelieve ukuthi umuntu engithandana naye mele sihlale phansi. Baba sendlini buka ngibuye nemali so. Singayenzani? You understand? Siyabonisana. Not to say because ngintombazane then I no longer care. I don't believe in this thing of guys saying ukuthi he's a hunter. He should be the one providing. No, Nami, there is something that I have to bring on the table. Not to say it's a 50-50 thing. There is a rule yakudala besebenzela abogogo bethu nabomkhulu bethu to say there will always be a role played by a woman in her man. You understand? There is a role yokuthi indoda mele ayidlale kumfazi wakhe. I don't know if you get that.
I get you, but I understand the level of maturity onayo.
Yes.
But awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe uyazincintsha ifana awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe strict too much or you expect a lot from this guy, because from this conversation that we just had it's like you are extremely like mature for your age, which is a great thing, but then ungazincinshi ifani man. You understand? Ungazinqishi man ifani and ungabi strict too much nawe ku boyfriend.
Yabona into enkinga lana yini ne? I'm too veiled. I know myself and I need somebody who's going to understand that. Kiveldi like kyatsiba. But understand? Yabona into ephuma eceleni kimi it doesn't make sense. I also believe that there is no mistake in life. What is mistake? Any mistake?
It's when you get triggered and then you learn.
While you have a mind. Before you do something, you have to think about it at first. So I'm very much curious when somebody gonna say nyenzi puta. More like isn't this fine about cheating?
Kandiba what he said?
Not quite.
No.
Not quite.
No. There is a reason why you brought this up. There is a reason why you brought this up. Yes, the twin doesn't give you time. He doesn't prioritize you. Mara, you have had a conversation with him who will say, listen to Manje, you just came up with something who would say, there is no mistake like cheating. Uye wenza something like that.
Okay, we
because ngeke mnganami never uthi uyamlahla nje like ngoba akaprioritize isikhathi, but yonke into it's a tick. I
don't know a lie. A lot has happened. Ne? kuyenzeka ukuthi there is this girl we used to fight for. We understand ukuthi vele ex. But whenever this lady appears, appear as if ulethwa yini between brother, because by that time yena sa data nalo girl, it's a matter of guy ubhuti wakhe uyenze friendship no girl. So kunezinye mina I'm too matured and I'm a visionarist. Ngibona into eseza. Yabona? So first incident yenzekile ngayikhuza. Yabo? Ngathi no, now you need to man up. Make your brother aware to say mina relationship. Ngicela they be boundaries. We understand? So ukuthi makuthi wena uhlangana no girl, hlangana naye wherever. But makuthi it's gonna be cases whereby ugirl sekafika endlini. It's gonna bring ama assumption kumuntu engithandana naye. So my guy, I feel like he can't man up to his bride. He can't say no. So which is something that pisses me off to say la makuthi lo muntu bangafuni lo girl appear into a picture. But we cut her off just like that.
Would you say ukuthi between umuntu wakho ne twin brother yakhe, he's the softest one?
He's very extremely.
Bambe lapho. Ladies and gentlemen, you're still watching #Angisakufuni right here on CMTV. Golden Rose is dating a twin, but then she feels like, man, this nigga like is very soft. It doesn't man up. It's twin brother yake yam furvaya. And man, it's affecting what's umjolo. So we're gonna take a short at break. When we come back, the twin brother is gonna join us so that Golden Rose can share this conversation with the guy, because when Sagalan #Agasamfuni. We're coming back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You are still watching Angisakufuni right here on CMTV. It's Mr. Juice SA. Of course, I am bringing you the juice as always. We're still at it. Golden Rose is right here with us on Angisakufuni because she's dating a twin brother, and this twin brother seems to be a soft one. And brother wake uyamvurvaya. Messi yenzini affecte umjolo ka Golden Rose. So Golden Rose is right here with us because she just wanna cut it off. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not gonna waste time, ne? Let's call him in. Can we have Mandla, guys? Ungabi nervous.
Calm down. Calm down.
Sure, how are you?
Sure.
Good, man. You, hi. Yabona ukuthi kumnandi kanjani ukujola? Ngiyabona ukuthi kumnandi kanjani ukujola? Mandla, how's it, man?
I'm okay, thanks. How are you, sir?
I'm good, bruh. So, I see.
Yeah.
How do you know her?
She's my girlfriend.
And you guys are happy, and you're happy.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, Golden Rose, you brought Mandla here because you are experiencing issues with your relationships and the stuff that you guys have spoke about.
Yeah.
But you feel like there's no change.
Yes.
You know, there's agnamnyagas.
True.
So what do you wanna say to him?
Okay, Mandla ngikubizelana ne, because like I'm no longer happy with our relationship and I feel like I'm fed up. Because I've been telling you, Nindaba yako, you prioritize your twin brother, and I feel like you're not even willing to change or man up either to your twin brother. Always mina nawe mas soba nenkinga, it's not our problem. Kusuka kuyinkinga zokuthi zilethwa ubhuti wakho. First of all, I've been telling you about the lady ekuthi udate naye. I can't call the name.
I-ex yakho.
I-ex yakho. Wangitshela ukuthi wena ungenawo lapho because she's a friend with your brother. So lonto le yang to step up because it keeps on happening.
Okay, so wena ubona kungcono ukuthi ungilethe la.
Yeah,
For sure.
ngikulethelana because like either way, ngikhe ngakutshela ukuthi angisakufuni, you always feel like I'm joking. So I feel like here maybe you will take me serious to say I really mean it.
Okay, so labantu labo ngilethe kubona lana maybe khona mesishelana mina na.
I don't even care about that. I
Wait,
don't care about that.
Hold up. So she says uke wakutshela ukuthi akasakufuni and wena you never took her serious.
Uyancenga.
Ekulahlela ekulahlela ama issues lawe house ebeni now. And manje she's making it clear ukuthi she brought you here kule show so that uzomthatha serious kule game ukuthi no dude angisakufuni, I'm not attacking you, don't get me wrong, but I want you to understand what you were saying Mosi, labantu laba shukuthi nami ngulabantu Mosi, labantu laba abalana bebekhona masishelana. You understand?
Rose, ngitshele la. So wena sonke lesikhathi uhlezi ufuna ukuba i-competition nomndeni wami.
First of all, withathe wrong lapho. Like kukuphi la ngaze ngaku support khona. Have I ever shown you any chance yokuthi maybe I'm doubting your family or what? Because kuma ceremonies, I be there to help, to show you that I'm supporting. My concern here is to say wena, you can't balance your schedule. Know very well that you have a girlfriend. Mabuya wherever in your academy. Maufiga, let it be ukuthi I don't remind you ukuthi phela nami ngifuna ukubona. So when you from the academy, ufuna mina always I remind you.
So manje ubona ungcono uzongidampa la.
Ikhona enye choice. Maybe angeke usancenga phela. Ngeke usancenga because kunokudampa angiqali namhlanje.
Into efuna la wena ufuna ukuthi silungise izinto wena ufuna
angeke salunga. Yabona the only way.
No, what I see mina la, what I see ukuthi kahlahle wena awusafuni ukuba le relationship, not just because of twin brother yami, not just because of le ntombazana le ex yami. Wena awufuni khona umuntu osombonile.
No dear, the problem with you is that you are aggressive and you just
vele
want
mele
to
mbe
prove a
aggressive
point.
ifuzana lomqondo lo oze nawo njengamanje.
You're not supposed to listen to me. The reason in relationship yam nawe ingekilunge is because always you giving me this attitude. You want to justify. Don't justify yourself. See you're wrong and be willing to rectify those mistakes. So now mina mangitry ukubonisa always no ngicela ungilalele ngicela ukukhuluma. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngiqede bese after uzongena after me. That's maturity. That's showing ukhula.
Ngize kuwena ngematurity.
So ithi ukudedela ukhulume ke.
Awukhonanga ukungi-approacha ngematurity wena.
I've been approaching you.
Awukhonanga ukungi-approacha ngematurity le yakhona.
Immaturity. What is maturity first of all?
Why ngizophendula lokho ngoba
No bayithu ne understand maturity mara.
I do.
No.
Emiphi imizamo yewayizama after she spoke to you, because she says you guys have had a conversation several times ukuthi she wants you to prioritize her as well.
My lord,
And I can't be asking for that.
akazithembi lo muntu.
Sekulo muntu lo.
Akazithembi lo muntu. Lo muntu akazithembi.
Oh, wow.
Ngeke azosifaka ku competition ne-ex.
I'm not in a competition with her. I'm not.
Then why you kwata for yena?
Ngizokwata because each and every time mangiboni ex yakho ukhona in the picture. I wasn't comment if maybe you were able to man up and tell your brother ukuthi ndoda buka mana lo girl mina ngeke ngibe khona lapho.
That's the problem with you.
No, inkinga yakho wena ukuthi awufuni ukulalela and you don't want to understand. Awufuni ukuzwa ukuthi mina ngifila kanjani. As long wena ufila the way wena ufila ngakhona ukuthi mina ngifila kanjani.
Wena unendaba ukuthi ngifila kanjani?
I do care.
Then why ufuna ungihlukanisa nabantu engijabula ukuba nabo?
Phela makuthi kunjalo if your family is your priority ungazihluphi ufuna umfazi thola umfazi phakathi komndeni wakini.
Oh so manje ngingasababeki phambili emndeni wami.
They come
just
first.
Because of when?
That one is a fact.
Just because of when?
Let me make you understand. Your family is a fact because they are your priority. But the question sticks with you to say, how do you balance your schedule? My family is my priority. Kunelanga la ukuthi ke wangicela khona ngakutshela ngumndeni wakithi. Because they're not, I'm a celebrity relationship yami. They're my family. Out of all, I have to make a family nami one day. No muntu
ngithandana naye. Wena emlomeni kuphela.
Wena kuzenza uwandile.
Wanda emlomeni kuphela. Lento yonke leyo ikhulumayo le mina ngiyazi.
You lying.
Angiyazi yonke.
Angaze ngikutshele ukuthi I'm not feeling good ma unobhuti wakho nale ex yakho. Angaze ngikutshele. I once told you that's all too late. Angaze ngikutshele ukuthi angifili kahle if maybe you're gonna come back wherever from the academy mawufika
akusamele ngijabule mina ngoba futhi kumele
ngijabulise ngidedele ke
ngidedeleleleni
hence namhlanje ngithi no Joe I'm fed up ngiright ngawe hayi yo ngizwile hayi no it's been a while.
Okay,
so is this the kind of energy you're always giving vele mankhuluma? Because I'm sure viewers at home would agree with me. Ginikeza chance niyakhuluma, but energy engiyifeelayo from your side is like you just like yeah like ngihlukane nabantu engibathandayo for wena akasho ukuthi hlukana nabantu bathandayo but she's saying ukuthi yes you are a twin
No,
and yes you usually spend time.
Stop being
No,
aggressive.
I'm gonna come and also like explain on what I'm sensing from her and what I'm feeling from her. So from your side, she's explaining ukuthi Angisakufuni ngoba you usually spend more time with your twin brother and your twin brother is more engaging into this relationship. And kunale ex yakho that is always within the picture. She's explaining about that wena uthi so wena kumele uhlukane nabantu bathandayo for yena kanti yena uyini kuwena mengabe uzothi if your statement
Yes,
is
lento le yangibonisa ukuthi if maybe abakubo because we always come to this incident yokuthi abadeni like the family sorry for that if family yakho abumfana uthola ukuthi maybe angifuni fully uthola ukuthi kuno aunt ukuthi uyangicriticize or something mabangathi maybe I'm a foreigner ngisqueezer angavumelana nabo lo to say
agree?
yes
Ikenza
very
kanti
foreigner
lento le.
no
Ikenza-
I have
Wha-
a feeling
Why uza nama example
you can't protect me when first of all awukhoni nje ukungiprotect
So ushuta
so I'm doubting ukuthi
Ushuta
if-
ngikuthandi mina.
kahle kahle uthando
Then
lukhona but you
ngicingelani
don't
mina
have
ngakuthanda.
loyalty you're not loyal uthando lukhona but you're not loyal and uthando elihamba like just like that fana nawo mawungquni
oh sure I guess you what are your discomforts ngaye because I relationship yenu ninoba yisu
Khuluma too
before
that's
Explain lo muntu lona complain ngayo yonke into.
oh wow
so those are your discomforts.
Complain ngayo yonke into my lord lo muntu.
So go wakhuluma naye because she's saying ukuthi yena she spoke to you about izinto abeka uncomfortable ngazo ku relationship wena have you had a moment where you shared with her ukuthi listen baby I feel like you are because from what I'm sensing she's too mature maybe you might find it boring.
yeah
Am I
Sure. Angiboni ngendlela leyo mina.
are you blind
Angiboni
even your
ngaleyo
friend can
ndlela.
attest that
Ngiboni ngale-
Joe,
lo muntu lo for the fact
uneke
ukuthi
friend.
complaina too much lo muntu lona mele phela wena enye into mele uyibeke ekhanda lonto le ngendle thina sihlangane kanjani mina nawe kokuqala
Mhm.
wena sathi mesihlangana mina nawe waqala wena faka amazipho ngeke shuthi khona into oyifunayo wena kahlahle wena
what is that
shuthi khona into oyifunayo
what is that a
wena
hustler
mele
like
ukhulume
me
phela
a hustler like
Should-
me can just look upon something
ihustler
from another person.
ihustler kusihustler wena mele uringe ivaru wena
What is it?
khuluma wena khuluma because uyakhuluma yena khuluma you
Ukuthi
ungagudli so
ayikho into engizoyiringa nalo muntu ngoba ucomplaina ngayo yonke into and akafuni ukuvuma naye into zakhe so
You lying.
ekuyizini
You
izinto angafuni
lying.
ukuzivuma
No,
because
this
mina I want to understand your side angifuni kube ngathi ngiyakuattack so if she's opening up and then saying and laying everything out ukuthi this is how I feel 1 2 3 is wrong for me and that's what you're doing to her that's what she's saying wena mozothi khona izinto azifihlayo khona izinto azifunayo you're not saying then now on my high end it's going to sound like I'm taking her side but of course I'm going to be taking her side because she's the one that is opening up more about her story while you are not saying anything do you get me Skoko?
hayi ngiyakuthola my lord but
So wena ama discomforts wakho yini ngaye because as much as enazi izinto angayithandi ngawe and she's telling you maybe nawe khona izinto ongayithandi maybe there is a reason why you are not being prioritized
Yeah,
you understand
They should.
maybe there is like a better reason and a better explanation ukuthi why he is not you not prioritizing her so maybe this is your chance for you to like be honest as well and be like as much as maybe it will sound otherwise but you can say you know what I don't really spend time with you ngoba 1 2 3 you understand but now if she's going to be telling you yeah mandla mina ngiyakudampa ngoba 1 2 3 wena you just like wena kuthi khona izinto esifunayo kusho ukuthi like yini ama
why?
discomforts wakho ku relationship wena so because mina angifuni ukuthi ufile ngathi like I'm taking his side like I just explained yini ama discomforts wakho wena kuye izini izinto ongekho comfortable ngazo naye izinto ongayithandi obona kahle ukuthi nami 1 2 3 it turns me off understand because you can tell with this golden like she wanna spend most of her time with you and she can do anything to spend time with you wena yini inkinga yakho ngaye.
Exactly. Lo muntu ufaka amazipho too much oqala. Yathola. Unginikeza leya vibe le ukuthi manje ungumfazi too much kumina. And lonto lena ayabhora yakhinya too much yabona. Yakhinya. And enye into ehluphayo lana ne ukuthi umntana wande emlomeni ne. Wande emlomeni too much umntwana naka ngisatisfy futhi. Suthi akangisatisfy umntwana i-river vele. Akangisatisfy.
Oh, wow.
Satisfy kanjani ke in which way ke manje ke?
Vele akakusatisfy sengisho lapha enkonzweni yakhona mfethu. So ngiyazama yabona noma sengifikile lapha ngithi ngifaka igear 2 umntana hayi ubuya phansi. Ngithi gear 2 uthi abuya phansi. So manje hayi ngeke ngidile nomuntu osowandela emlomeni. Enhle kubheka ne yonke lento enzekile kutshela ivar. Bheka mina ngikutshela ivar ngikhuluma nawe straight. Kutshela ivar. Njengoba manje vele ungidampa. Ngizovaya. Ngizobuyela back to ex yami. Plus vele yiyo bengijabulisa.
Man, le ex lena hangout no twin brother.
In the picture.
So have you guys been like busy vele because the way you putting it you just like uzovaya vele uzobuyela.
Uyangipusha.
I'm not. Don't say that.
Into ifunayo ngithi.
Ile nto leboloku ufuna na ubuyela ku sisters. But
ngiyabuyela.
No, it's when are you pretending as if I never gave you a chance to talk to me. Ungitshela ukuthi Joe mina yabona yini I feel like you're too mature. And yabona izinto azikhuluma namhlanje. Ngiyaqala ukuzizwa mina.
Vele
most of the time mangikhuluma naye. Uzokutshela the way yena ngeke ahlukane nomndeni wakho. Ahlukane nethi angazi ukuthi ubani umtshela ukuthi ahlukane ne-twin brother and all that. I'm not much obsessed.
Shukuthi nina ivele i-relationship yenu inteke because ucansi malingavuki. So when
I don't wanna lie, I'm not obsessed. Coming to sex, I know.
But now mostly you are not obsessed in the sexy and umuntu wakho yena uyayithanda sex.
Let me tell you something.
So uyabona ukuthi
whenever you're in a relationship, ne?
Yeah.
You make your partner understand how wifuna kanjani. You understand? Agaze. Let me tell you something, ne? Ngicela ngiphi chance ngixoxele.
Hayi dala ukhuluma man.
Number 1, agaze asho ukuthi I'm not. Yabona lezi zinto ezikhuluma manje as much as I said before ukuthi is the first time ngizizwa. Yabo umuntu akhe mfundisa how to love you. Nalapha uyamfundisa ukuthi like baby adjust man feel ngathi you are too lazy for this thing and mina I'm much obsessed ngayo. Kunogayo ukuthi mawuhlangana naye loqala.
Yabukela ama movie kanti.
I'm a sex addict. I'm not a fan.
Awabukela ama movie.
I'm not a fan.
Ayikho lento ekhuluma. Yazi noma sesila enkonzweni ne my lord. Like nginokwenza show. Yathola. Ngenze so. Manje ngimbona ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lo ngilibamba inyawo ngiliphase phezulu alibuyise.
Wena inkinga ukuthi you are too obsessed ngama what is this shows zama sex whatever ntontoni.
I'm 50 shades.
So I can't be on the roof while I'm making it on the bed. I can't do that. No, I can't. It's fine. Go to your ex. If maybe bongireleasile mina ukuthi Joe, uyabona manje I'm blaming myself to be in your life because full 1 year, bruh. While you know very well ukuthi awukho sethies. You understand ukuthi ngabe ungitetelile to say Joe, mina I'm one person ukuthi admit ama phutha wami. Ibe nje ukuthi ay Joe, mina I'm not okay. Relationship is all about trying. Bengizomtshela nami ngithi no.
Yeah. So when asikho so if seloko ungekho happy khona labo ithola khona sex because
njengoba thi ngaphansi
isikhathi awuspend isikhathi nomuntu wakho khona indla obuthola khona isex since isex
ngisho seshilo ukuthi ngispend isikhathi ne-ex shukuthi ngithola kuyena.
No, you're not confessing here, bruh. Say it straight to say beng busy no girl.
Ufuna ukuconfessa noma ufuna ukungidampa?
Mina ngiqedile vele.
Usuyangidampa.
Ukungena wakho ngomnyango bese ngiqedile ukuthi vele ngisakufuni. Ngiyithi ngawe. Une drama. You're not yet leading to that state so thembisa ukuthi uzoba indoda ube nomuzi wakho. So ufunani ku? I know. Ngishaya isikhathi.
Hambe emakhaya lezi eziginqa inkomo.
Nala igoli bakhona ke ngixoxela.
Iyakhona. Ngeke uthi
kanti
nala igoli bakhona.
Mina nawe phela sihlangana eklabhini kokuqala.
I'm not a drunkard.
Angazi ukuthi wayifaka amazipho.
And ngabe uyasho ukuthi ukuhlangana nami I was hustling. I was a photographer by then.
But mekuseklabhini
Clubbing, yes, I was booked.
Thank
You
you.
don't choose where you get money.
Sihlangane eklabhini ufakeleni
Did you see me sipping alcohol?
Then sihlangane eklabhini kusala.
So when inkinga yakho ukuthi la sihlangane eklabhini. What does
Wafaka
that
amazipho.
say? Bokumele ngabe ujabulile.
Wafaka amazipho.
Ngabe uyasho manje uyabatshela ukuthi no, mina lo sisi mangicala ukumshela. Angisho umuntu mahlangana naye eklabhini yakhona ukustate to say no, akusilaba bomkhakha wami.
Yeah.
Yena uboneni ukuze eze kimi angishele. Yabona? It shows ukuthi
Isibonela uCherry.
for 1 year, bopushelani for 1 year. If maybe you didn't see potential. No, I don't doubt myself, Chief. I don't doubt myself.
Pepereza.
You lying.
awukazi umbheke as i-potential ukuthi you guys can have something in the
No,
future.
he's lying.
Akame kancane man, hayi.
Hayi.
Akame kancane.
Hayi. Wena Golden Rose, awenze kube clear man ukuthi ufunani la.
Dear Mandla, I'm done. Like, I'm fed up. Writing out, Joe.
Mara kusala uyazi ukuthi awukho right angithi.
Duh.
Uzobuya.
Let me tell you something.
Sala uzobuya.
Yabona masengiqede, unless if maybe uzoya ekhaya ungiphephethe, ungibize. Other than that, I will never.
Anginaso isikhathi
And then
sokuphephetha
I'll
wena
make
ke
sure
mina.
ukuthi ngiyasiqinisa shemfo wena.
Anginasikhathi
Mina
sokuphephetha
ngisimoshile.
wena.
I'm very much worried ukuthi kahle kahle bengihleleleni. Inkinga ukuthi uthandwe enye into.
Uyazi ukuthi muhleleleni.
Lo msangano.
Akekho umuntu oyenza njengami.
Mina the only advice engamtshela yona brother ne ukuthi
Akekho
if
umuntu
maybe yena
oyenza
he's moving with this attitude, put this family this, mabashade umfazi oyi-1 who's gonna tolerate their attitude. Other than that, angeke babe nomuzi, izoba yisho imani. Bazobamba la babiza khona. Bamba la sibizwa khona. I'm not cursing you. It's the reality of life. I'm not cursing you. It's the reality.
Mengiswa ex yami. Uyakumngane wakho
And
uzamile.
unebhati. Anginandaba, ngihlabeke indawo. Mina my life is moving on.
And ngizomkokota.
Angina stress.
Man,
Naye ngizomtshela ukuthi phuma kuye ukuthi uyakhoma or kanjani.
Man, uzongena kumngani wakhe. Ungena kumngani wakhe ngoba usemathandweni or ungena kumngani wakhe
Ulaya
ngoba
mina.
ufuna ukulaya
Thando lami lula.
This guy is
So manje ungena
short.
kanjani eceleni?
Ngiyasa ngisho suka hambe nothando lami mele ngenzeni? Ngikokoda umngani.
Mandla, like you, with disappointment. I don't know lie. With disappointment.
I don't know how you guys feel about this couple, hey? I don't know how you guys are viewing this issue that I'm having right here in the studio today, but Golden is saying akasamfuni uMandla because of such issues that they have. She feels like uMandla would never grow, Mandla would never prioritize a relationship. And uMandla is making it very clear ukuthi yena uzongena emnganini ka Golden Rose. So ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing I can do. Rose, you are putting a dot on it, right?
Definitely.
You are cutting it.
I am done.
Brother,
I am fed up. You know, really.
honestly, I'm speechless. You are very vocal with
Wrong things.
Nah.
Say it.
No, I don't wanna put a blame. I don't wanna like find him as if urongo. But he is vocal ngokuthi
Vela ngikho wrong.
uzongena.
Wow.
Vela ngikho wrong. And ngeke ngithi ngibe wrong. Ngiyakutshela. Baba wena sazobuya kimi. Kwamanje ngisho ubona amakhamera, ubona abantu, ubona ama-mic. Uzokhuluma nento ekhulumayo. Bese siwu2 ngada.
So why can't you just say it ukuthi uyakufuna back?
Bani? Mina.
But why uthi ngizobuya?
Mengabe ethi ukufuna back.
You understand that?
Would you go back?
Andizi.
Langikhathele
And
ukuncengana
ngizwile.
nawe.
Ithi ngitshele brother ne. There be a time whereby like uyathanda, uthanda. Ufike la so inhliziyo iseyikhathele khona say it like this ne.
Rose,
Uthi no,
wakwamthanda
let
wena.
me just give it a benefit of the doubt. You understand? I give it a benefit of I gave this yabana yini ungilile lo muntu angifuni kuhamba manga. Ungiherile. I'm hurt. Yabona I no longer care. I no longer cry. Before I used to cry mangicocela omunye umuntu ukuthi you know this guy kwasha kwacisha. I no longer cry. It's just a testimony to
Bonga wena
tell others.
ngikuthithelanga kokuqala.
Who knows?
Bonga angikuthithelanga.
Who knows?
Awungitholanga noCherry.
Who knows?
But see,
Bonga.
awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe strict. Awukakazi ufile ngathi strict because uMandla like you can tell young vibe, ufuna ama vibes. Awucabanga ukuthi wena mhlambe with the level of immaturity onayo you turn out to be boring hence yena ekhuluma language aggressive ethi ungathi ufaka amazipho awucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe wena you become very strict and then that's when ebhoreka because uma ngabe udate umuntu ostrict kakhulu like uyabalabala man mekumele uyospend isikhathi nabo.
I get you. Coming to indaba yobu strict ne, I'm very much veiled. Ngiyazazi, strict. But kwesinye isikhathi ngiya-adjusta kwamina. There was a time whereby maybe we had 3 months ne, no guy. The only obsession yokuthi and the guards that he got is to tell me that each and every month and a family yakhe they will be going out. Okay, what is the motive of going out?
Akusamele siphume.
Ngicela ukuqoqa. Ngiqede. Mangithi I'm checking the place ne. There will be it's more like a society of going out to booze. Lo muntu ngidate naye for 3 months. Akazange ngihlalise phansi ukuthi mama bheka ne. Ngicabanga ukuthi each and every after 3 months mina nabakithi sihambe so market umsebenzi. But he got guards to tell me ukuthi each and every month end sizohamba sophuza.
Market umsebenzi.
So
wena ufuna imali.
No, mina ngiyasebenzela.
Then why ufuna market umsebenzi?
Do you remind yourself or maybe
why kumele
uyakhumbula ungiphi imali wena mase siyeqinisweni?
Okay fine. Why kumele ngifuna umsebenzi ke?
For your own wena uzokhalela kubaba until nini?
Na ngiyaqoqa.
Uqoqa ubaba. Ulala ubaba, udla ubaba.
Yini into wrong lapha basekhaya?
Gede uyenza umntwana akho uzodla ubabakho.
Why not?
Yeah.
Mekhona imali, why not?
Bruh, I'm questioning myself. I don't know why.
Girl, mina ngizokutshela into right. Awusumamami wena. Awusumamami, ungangizi nale attitude oza nayo.
A real man.
Iyanuka le attitude yakho.
Let me tell you something. A real man.
Ungangizi na.
Ngicela umkhuze
futhi bheka. My lord, ngiyakutshela manje ahlukananga mina nawe.
Yo.
Ahlukananga.
A real man will understand ukuthi he have to see a mother in his wife's eyes. So like that's why mandla ngisho ukuthi ngicedile ngawe kwezinye izinto akumelanga ngikufundise zona.
Sishaye
indoda mayibona umfazi mele ubone umama yakhe.
Strike unyaka wonke wena udraye unyaka wonke nalomfana lo mbiza umfana njengamanje.
Wena inkinga yakho bunkabi ayikho yakho.
Kusala.
No. Why uthi inkinga yakhe ubunkabi?
These people can't take no. As much as he's pushing so hard with aslugana, but I'm telling him ukuthi so what is that?
Umfazi vele. Kumele uzwe ngami.
So
I wouldn't share.
Why
we are living in a new century now.
Na inkinga yini?
Akusana ndoda mfazi.
Inkinga ileyo.
No, it's a
relationship. Mebefika ku relationship sebefuna i50-50 ningi.
It's a pit.
Kasatha wena mele uthale u30 ngithatha u70.
I wouldn't.
Man uthini ke mawuthi kumele athwala i30 wena uthwala u70.
Indoda la.
Manje sifela ukuthi wena uyindoda.
Moyindoda mengabe ungekho kwakho ucabanga ukuthi ubani olapho mengabe ekhala ngokuthi isikhathi awunaso ucabanga ukuthi ubani ke olapho.
Ngiyindoda mela understand futhi yena ngiyindoda and ngeke kude kushintshe lokho. Into okumhlulayo lo muntu lo ukuthini ukuthi uyasebenza. That's all.
Wena uhlula ukusebenza.
Uhlula ukuthi uyasebenza ngoba yena uthola imali engathi ithe xaxa.
Ene mina batshela ukuthi angisebenzi mina.
Wait, does it make you, would you say it makes you feel a bit uncomfortable ukuthi she's earning more because now mase ukhuluma ngemali ku relationship vele imali is a problem.
Exactly.
So would you say it's making you feel a little bit insecure about yourself ukuthi yena ephaketheni ukahle?
Yonke indoda ngayifila le nto.
But then Skoko, yiyo into kumele ukhulume ngayo, yiyo ama conversations that you guys should be having. Ukuthi baby ngine discomfort so mengabe ungasho uveza lezi zinto manje.
Flying fish isale nobani. Akhulume nobani flying fish bese sala nobani.
Yabona into ayenza yini?
Brother asale nobani.
Phela uyangidelela lo muntu ungiza ngobuso. Bheka angisukhamba ungangizi ngobuso. Ungangizi ngobuso. Ungangizi ngobuso.
Bumile kuwe.
Ungangizi ngobuso.
No, calm down. It's fine. It's okay.
You are
putting an end on it, but brother, my only it's just like me giving you an advice. I'm not really a master. I'm not Dr. Love or anything like that. But for me, I think if you really also wanna if you wanna dominate in a relationship, khuluma ama discomforts wakho.
True.
wakhuluma ama-discomforts wakho uthi baby like ngicela ukuthi like ngifila less.
Mdala lo muntu akudingi ukuthi ngimphile. Mdala lo muntu. Why kumele ngiloko ngimtshele ngithi lana ulungisa lokho ulungisa mdala lo
feel
muntu.
like
But
losing
now
your
that's
guy.
you playing your
Yeah.
role. For me, that's you playing your role. Since you saying wena uyindoda kwi-relationship, you wanna feel like you are vele uyindoda. So you need to play your role. For me, I would say speak more about things that you're uncomfortable with as well. Since she's very vocal, since she has been annoying you, baby, you're spending more time with your twin brother. Baby, there's always this ex of yours within the picture. I don't like it, and you never took note of it. So now she's leaving you because of all those things. But for me, if you say yes, you agree, or you say since you are saying she's gonna come back later. But I would say if you really want a relationship yakho, any kind of a relationship with seventh, speak ngezinto or uncomfortable ngazo.
Yabona mistake yami le engiyenzile le relationship.
You admit
I1
now.
ne.
Yini?
Ngiya-admit right now ukuthi bengampatshazi lo. Mokumele ngimfake isicathulo.
Oh.
No. Ashayi, awushayi.
Mokumele kwenzeke kanjalo ngoba manje ngithule kakhulu. Uloku uyapapereza uyangiyemela
this
ngapha
era.
nangapha. Ngiyathula. Kahle mokumele ngimfake isicathulo.
Bekubonisa ubuwiki bakho, indoda eshaya umfazi.
Uke wakushaya vele.
He wouldn't.
Uke wakushaya
He
vele
wouldn't.
before.
He wouldn't.
No, but for you can't say
Ukhuluma njani? Yamoza ukhuluma njani namanje?
no, but as for
upapa uza ngesingisi.
uphakamisa isandla,
Akusicala ukuya esikolweni.
I wouldn't condone that. So please, you can't. Angisakufuni, and that's that. You need to work on yourself. You need to also work on yourself because I feel like
It's a trauma.
yeah, as much as you saying you understand yourself that you're too matured.
And
It can someone else would like feel that as if you too strict, and it would be like extra for them. So maybe try also and leave a bit. Still, I understand that your background forced you to become mature at a younger age. But now, when you are engaging with someone who's younger, like Mandla, you need to also
He's old.
He's old, but
27.
amen.
Umntwana but uyenza izenzo zabantwana. I'm worried ukuthi maybe ngabe ngi-attemptile ngayenza umntwana. Now beyazokhula ukundlula wena.
But okusalayo manje silana ngoba
Uzojabula ngithi uba nomntana
It's
na.
done.
thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Catch us next time when we bring you another juicy episode of Angisakufuni. Golden Rose is putting an end on this, and Umandla is saying, yena wazi kahle ukuthi ugel usazobuya. So maybe we will give you guys a catch up on these two at the later stage and find out ukuthi baphelele kuphi, or if uMandla ugcine sengena ngempela emnganini ka Golden Rose. But other than that, keep it locked. It's CMTV #Angisakufuni. We are available all over social network, and of course our YouTube channel is up and running. Please do subscribe, share, let your friend know that CMTV Zakip #Angisakufuni. It's Mr. Jesus A signing out.